Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a long time since I've seen you guys. I think it's been like 4 or 5 months. Last time you guys seen me, I bought a Lexus GS300. I no longer have that anymore now. I've sold it. I got news for you guys to tell you. So I swapped it for a car in Doonside, and I swapped it for a Nissan Elgrand. Turns out a week after driving it with registration, I bought a lemon. So now I spent the whole entire couple of months trying to fix it, and now it's up for sale. So that car's going for sale right now. I don't know what we're gonna get up to today, but I'm gonna fill you guys in on a little bit of stuff that's been going on for my 86 and what's been going on with Jason's car, new member to the video today. So you guys are gonna finally meet Jason. So this is Jason's 2012 GT86. We just recently did the wide body at the front. We're gonna do the rear soon. That's gonna be coming up in a video. This is Jason, everybody. Welcome to the channel. What's up? What's up? Jason's part of the crew now. But yeah, he came down today to hang out. Bro, how much fucking water bottles do you have down there? Shit, man. What are you doing, bro?
Saving up money, saving up.
Saving up for the new fucking Today we're just gonna be working on our side skirts for our Rocket Bunny kit. We have to pretty much trim the existing kit. I probably haven't told you guys this, but I did buy a TRD V2 side skirt probably like 3 years ago. I haven't even touched it. It's been sitting in dust. I'll show you guys all the dust and shit that's been collected on it. But so to pretty much fit it on our wide body kit for the front fenders, it doesn't really clear, so we have to trim it. That's gonna be what we're working on today. So yeah, I've got to do Jason's one. He's got a V2. I just checked it out, and I've got a V2 side skirt as well, so it should be fun. So guys, today we have the TRD V2s. The black ones are mine and the orange ones are Jason's. We bought these with a wide body kit off some guy on Facebook Marketplace. Problem is, when we go to install this on our wide body kit, so the part that we need to trim, I'm going to show you guys where it usually attaches to. So this goes to the front where the wheel arches is. So that over here, I'll just show you guys an example, pretty much so you have a rough idea. For the side skirts, as you guys can see, it covers up to here. So where we have to trim off is where it stops from here. So what we do is we take usually here, and usually what people would do would grind that off, and it matches perfectly aligned with your Rocket Bunny fender. So that's pretty much what we're going to be doing today. We're going to have to pretty much wash them down, make them look all nice and stuff, so it's easy to cut. I don't like working with dirty things. I don't like getting my hands dirty. I mean, it's part of the job, but it is what it is. But that's pretty much what we have to trim, and then pretty much test fit them on. I'm probably going to screw mine on because I haven't even attempted to screw them on yet. So we're going to go ahead and probably just tape it up, mask it up. I'm not going to measure it, just going to use our eyes, eyeball it. You know, we're Asian, pretty smart. Yeah, we're just going to go ahead and send it. Alrighty guys, post update on the 86. Since last time you guys see me with the car, I did go drifting with the car. As you guys remember in the video when I was drifting, the first corner, James hit my front fender and it damaged it right over here. I have repaired it. I'll show you guys right now what it looks like. So it was cracked pretty bad. The fiberglass came off. Took me some time to repair it. And now this is pretty much what it looks like. It's nice and shaped up again. Sand it down and prime it, so it looks pretty good. As for the fender, I'm currently still looking for a brand new fender for the 86, or otherwise I might steal Jason's one because he's just sitting here at my house. I'm not too sure what I'm going to do with that, so if you guys have a spare fender for 86 to the front driver's side, please let me know, or you can just donate to me. I'm happy with that too. So that's the situation with the 86 as for now, and at the moment my car's been running with engine issues. It's been having like cell lights, engine codes and stuff popping up, 2 sensors and stuff, because the tune is out of whack and I need to go for a retune. Other than that, the car runs mechanically fine. And another problem, due to the couple of months just before New Year's happened, I did happen to get rear-ended on my car twice. The last one was December the 26th or something, just before New Year's, so not long ago, about a month ago, and they hit me in the same spot on my rear end, and it pushed the rear lever frame in. My tail lights were cracked, my rear bars cracked, but the only thing that survived was the wing and the boot. As you guys can see, it's in perfect condition. The car looks fine from where you're looking at from a distance, but when I show you guys up close like this, you can see that like the damage on the bumper, it's the whole thing is falling to pieces and it's not holding on anymore. The clips are broken left and right. Also, if I pop open my boot, as you guys can see, my frame here is not looking too well and my reinforcement bar is actually bent. So the car's pretty much going to go into the panel beater shop about next month to get a whole new rear end replaced. I'm probably going to get a new rear bumper. I'm not too sure what I'm going to get, but that's probably a secret that I'm going to tell you guys later. Also, they're going to be changing the rear tail lights, the rear bumper, the clips, everything at the rear that's going to be changed and swapped over to brand new parts at the panel shop. It's pretty much the update on that whole problem with the 86 and why I pretty much lost motivation on the car and making vlogs. But I feel like picking up the camera lately, so you know what, it's a beautiful day. Let's get into the video and see what's Jason up to. My apprentice over here, I got him washing the side skirts. How's it going, Jason?
Pretty good.
Pretty good.
Better than
Just
before.
wash my fucking shoes, why don't you?
Better than before.
So he's gone ahead and cleaned up the side skirts, preparing us for the modification of our wide body kit. So we're pretty much swapping cars because I'm not installing the TRD side skirts on my car. We're going to be installing it on Jason's car. We're just going to be using that as a template. As for the installation, we're just going to install it on Jason's car today. Go on, keep it going. Just straight, man. Look at this car. Oh, it is in space. Hey, where'd you buy your license? Bottom of cereal box?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to be using Jason's car as an example, as a template today. I'm not going to be installing the side skirt on my car. Personal matters. So we're going to be trimming both of ours. My one and his one. Help. Let's get started. So what we're going to do is pretty much just line them up onto here, tape it up, and we'll get the grind out and do so. So what our goal is here to do is to see where we need to see where we have to pretty much cut on the side skirt here. We can either you know what, this is quite difficult than what I thought it was gonna be because I'm trying to figure out how much I need to cut, but I'm thinking we just tape off here first and then cut short. If we need to cut more, we can cut more, but if we cut too much, obviously you can't put that back on. So I'll just do that now. But so what we're going to go ahead and do is a line here where the body panel connects to the bottom of the side skirt. I'm going to go ahead and tape this up. I don't know if you guys can see this, but so we're going to go ahead and tape it up like that. Always got to have a box of screws, you know, in case you guys miss out anything. Screw and nuts. Pretty sure everyone has one of these if you work on cars at home. Alright guys, so Jason finally came to a conclusion to why when we were test fitting, it wasn't fitting flush with the front fender, because this was too thick here, so we have to pretty much sand this down flat so it can sit on flush, and it's still too thick, so we're gonna have to go ahead and continue grinding this back flat with a sander disc. Not a grinding disc, a sander disc. So you want to go and make sure this is flat over here. As flat as we can get it. It doesn't have to be perfect. It is going behind the car. So you want to get this as thin as possible so it sits flat against the car like so. So now when we're going to test fit it, got the side up. So lift up. Yeah. Now that when we go to test fit it, let's screw it in. As you see, it's flat. Quick stop at Bunnings. I just called Brian to come over to help me with the side skirts with Jason. He calls me up like 2 minutes ago. He goes, bro, can you come out to the front, bro? I'm just at the front of the speed hump. My whole front bar fell off, bro. Can you bring me a 10mm socket? So I'm about to go see what it looks like right now. Oh shit. It's gonna be hella funny, bro. Much of the bumper fell off like, oh. What's up, Brian? What happened, bro? What happened, man?
Clear that bump, bro.
Bro, you know when you said, oh, my bumper fell off? Bro. What's up, guys? This is Brian. Brian,
Hi guys.
the channel. So this is Brian's car. He did the front end himself. Followed the video. What a wonderful guy. And he just lost a 10mm screw, like we all do. Seems like you have a bit of a problem here, bro. Your front bumper's hanging off. Bar's not held on by anything much. I was like, I swear, I thought I heard you. And then it's like, no, I don't hear him. I'm like, his exhaust's pretty loud. And then Hey bro, I think your rebar's missing.
But he swear he had his rebar like the other day.
Bro, yesterday he had a rebar, and now today, Brian, no rebar, guys. You good, you good. Damn, fuck, this boy's scraping. Doesn't have a rear bumper. This is nothing new for him. It's either on there or it's not on there. Depends on the day. Usually it's on there, but today it doesn't have one. We all know that, right? Every day is a different day with Brian. Either he has a bumper on at the rear, sometimes he doesn't.
50-50.
It's 50-50 depending on the situation of the day. Oh. Nah, it's alright. It's only the side that fell out. Straight out, I give credit to Brian for driving the rear bumper in Sydney. I don't have the fucking balls or the courage to do that shit. Oh, bro, you totally did good different, bro. Oh, bro, you're so funny, man. Ah, shit. Big balls, eh? Big fucking balls, bro. Got Brian coming in to help today. He had to park his car outside, he couldn't make it in, as you guys can see. So he's pretty much giving us a hand here on installing the side skirt.
Yeah, that's why I don't put double side tape when I just test mount it.
Alrighty guys, after about 2 hours of mucking around with this thing, we've gone ahead and double-sided taped the part where we needed to. We didn't do the whole part. We screwed in one here, one there, nothing at the front. Put a screw here too because the side skirt that Jason has is a bit warped, and I ended up putting 2 screws here. So now it sits on like that. Now all we have to do is pretty much slap on the wheels, and yeah, one side skirt done. The other side we're probably gonna do and then call it a day. You can do it, bro. Let's see how long it takes Jason to put on his fucking wheels. You got it, you got it. You do it. Animal instinct, animal instinct. You got it, you got this.
I'll be right back.
You fucking told me. Hey, it's just for you to learn, bro. That's how you put on a wheel, guys. So we're only gonna have enough time to do Jason's car. So that's totally fine. I can do mine another day. We're only gonna have enough time to do Jason's car. We've got one more side to do. One side's finished. And after that, I'll show you guys what it looks like with the side skirt on there. Alrighty guys, so we finally finished installing both sides of the side skirt on Jason's car. The paint isn't matching at the moment only because we're gonna decide to re-spray paint that later when we do the rest of his wide body kit. So for now, that's just how it looks. We bought it like that, and that's just gonna how it's gonna be for the meantime. We slapped on both sides of the side skirt. Some places need screws because the double side tape wasn't holding on. But at the end of the day, you gotta make it work somehow, right? Anyways, I'm gonna show you guys what the car looks like right now. So this is what the car looks like after we installed the side skirt. Bam! What do you reckon, Jason?
It's alright.
After 5 hours of our struggling, we finally got the side skirts on. Match the colors, do the rear. So that's the final plan for Jason's car. We just gotta do the rears, paint the rest of the side skirts and the front panel here when he gets the paint. But for now, this is how the car will look. Until I do mine, probably just do it off camera because there's no point in me filming another video since we've already done this one. It's the same concept. Now you guys know how to install side skirts. This is how it fits on this side. So we cut that to match it even, and then for the rear, pop the screw there to hold the piece, and 2 screws at the back. And so this is how it pretty much sits. Alrighty guys, thank you for joining in today's video. Much appreciated for spending your time with today's channel. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video of us installing the side skirts on the wide body. There's gonna be more videos coming out lately. I have been a little bit motivated. I know I've been off camera, not picking up, been a little bit lazy and stuff like that. But I'm trying to make it work. I work a 9-to-5 job and like everybody else does. I work full time and it's a lot harder than it looks because I'm usually pretty busy. So I do this in my spare time. So if you guys liked the video, leave a thumbs up and smash that subscribe button. See you guys in the next episode. Peace.